Hi everyone, if you are using Character AI and wondering how you can switch accounts, you are in the right place. Whether it's for your personal preference or managing multiple accounts, I'm here to show you how to do it easily. Let's dive right in. I didn't find app useful for switching the accounts. However, you can use a browser to switch the accounts. So open any browser that you like and go to Character AI login. Tap on the website and always make sure that you have logged into your account, which makes the process even more easier. Once you're in the main dashboard, tap on three steps in top left corner. It's over here. Tap on it. Then this will open you several options. Tap on your profile name, which is at the bottom. You can see it over here. Mine is Trusting Penguin 810. Tap on it and that will open you an option for logout. Tap on logout. And just like that, you are logged out easy, right? Now it's time to log into another account. For that, you can sign in with the Google. Tap on the Google account of another account that you are proceeding to. It's verifying. By the way, you can use the login over here too. Now let's check the profile. For that, again tap on three stripes in top left corner. It's over here. Tap on it and now you can see my profile name is changed. It's Stupid Baboon 1463 and voila, you are now logged into different Character AI account. It's as simple as that. And there you have it. Changing accounts on Character AI is quick and easy. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.